kiiremini.
Kõigepealt me alustasime sellega, et me joonistasime paberi peale tähe. Ja siis me
So at first they started with drawing the shapes, and then it was a bit trouble finding out which degree should the angle be, and if the star, et kui oli valmis täht, siis ei ma räägi.
Siis me kordasime seda tähte 12 korda.
So if the star was ready programmed, they started to repeat the same action 12 times. And was it easy? Oli see kerge? No, and why?
Sellepärast, et me ei saanud selle kaugust ja siis...
So there was a problem with the shape moving too close to the edge, and we didn't quite manage to find out which was the degree, right?
Yes.
Yes, so it was lots of experiencing here. And what was it in the end? Mis lõpuks jäi? See kraad? See 25 on ju. So in the end we understood that it should be 25 degrees and 40 moving on was this. So in the end it was a perfect match to this.